The Bharatiya Janata Party continues to strengthen its organizational base ahead of the upcoming elections, successfully inducting 32 voters from 10 families during a joint program held on Friday in the 14th Budjungnagar-Wakkinagar area. The new members were welcomed by presenting them with the official party flag. During a recent political gathering, a local resident voiced significant concerns regarding the developmental stagnation in the 14th Budjungnagar-Wakkinagar constituency. The individual highlighted a perceived lack of progress under the Tripura administration, which has held governance in the council for the past 5 years.
MBC tongmani sung ko parani kami kuno hamgrai maya susu maya ngai sung ko tini para kaisa jotno para kaisa sung ko tini ko BJP wa 10 family sung tini BJP sung tini rukha
Reported by Samir from Lepunga, Chini Khorang.